Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change home or work location in Google Maps on Oukitel RT8. First, open Google Maps, then press on your profile icon here, then press on settings, edit home or work, and now you can set your home or work location. I have it set right now, but I can remove it to show you how to set it. Let's press on set home and now enter an address or choose from a map. I will choose from a map. Let's say here and press on save. Press on done. And now my home address has been set. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.